Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to change your shipping address on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're relocating, realized you typed in the wrong details, or just want to update for future orders, this guide will have you sorted in no time. AliExpress is one of the go-to platforms for affordable goodies from around the world, but sometimes, life throws curveballs, and you need to tweak your delivery info. Stick around because I'll walk you through it step by step, making it easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure you're logged into your AliExpress account. Open up the app or website, and head to your profile by clicking on the icon in the top right corner. Once you're in, look for the My AliExpress or Account Settings section. That's where the magic happens. Next, navigate to Addresses or Shipping Addresses under your profile. Here, you'll see a list of saved addresses. Find the one you want to change and click on it. Now, hit the Edit button. It's usually right there, waiting for you. Go ahead and update the details: street name, city, state, zip code, and even your contact number if needed. Double-check everything to avoid any delivery mishaps. After making your changes, save them by clicking the Save or Update button at the bottom. AliExpress might ask you to confirm, so just follow the prompts. If this is for a specific order that's still processing, you might need to go to your order history, select the order, and look for an option to edit the shipping address there, but act fast, as changes are only possible before it's shipped. And just like that, you're done. Your new shipping address is now updated and ready for your next purchase. Remember, keeping your info current can save you a ton of headaches, especially with international shipping. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on AliExpress.